Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be going through question number 4 from 2020 HSC exam. This question came from the topic of investments, so this is here. Actually it was from 13, yeah, it was from investments, from compounded interest. So it's this question, so let's open here. So question number 4. So this question is telling us that there is an investment of $200 made at 3% per annum compounded monthly, and it's asking you to calculate the future value of this investment after 1.5 years. So let's take this out. Let me get my pen. So a few things to note here. This is 3% per annum compounded monthly. So the compounding is happening monthly. That's very critical. So you need to convert the interest rate on a monthly basis. So 3% divided by 12. So that would be 0.25% per month. Now, because the compounding is monthly, you also need to change the time from years to months. So the time would be in months. 1.5 year is equal to 18 months. Okay. Now to calculate future value is equal to 1 plus I to the power of t, the time, multiplied by the investment. Sorry, in this case it's $200. So 200 multiplied by 1 plus 0.25% to the power of 18. Now if you solve that, you will get 209.19. So option B would be your answer.